control. I'm just taking in this moment because if something goes down, I need the family to know what happened. She got stopped by federalis, policiacos. They don't want to see me. They don't want to see me. I'm trying to hide. Ooh, they let me go. I think they let me go. I think they let me go. Let's see. Put yourself back in. This might be a good sign. Let's see. She put it all back up. She got one more bag. I think she got one more bag to check. Is that one? They got it right there. See, they got it. She got it on her. She got it on her. Look. I'm not with her, actually. I'm not with her at all. I got captured with the phone. Literally, I got captured with the phone. Okay, I might have been a little bit willing. I might have been a little bit willing. She got one more bet. Look, they're checking it right now. Let's see right there. Let's see right there. Look. They're checking the bag. I see that right there. Right there.
Make sure I got keys.
You know it's hers because I got that Crip Blue on it. You know it's hers. You got that Crip Blue. Look. Ooh. Bigness. Lady checking. Look how serious her face is. Look how serious her face is. Ooh. You know what it is. She got them things in there. Them vibrator things. She got them big dildos. They're bigger than me. She got the things in there. That's what it is. She got cups and things. Yeah. We're gonna check this out. I'm looking at the oh, not the whip. Oh. Oh, she got that. Oh, Lord. Oh. Oh, Lord. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Oh, man. It's getting. Oh, get high. High. She's explaining. Oh, it's a confrontation. It's a confrontation. It's serious. They got serious. Move, lady, around. What they arguing about? Oh. They're taking her dildos and everything. It looks like it's over now. Zipping it back up. What did they take? We can't tell. We can't tell what they took. What did they take? Ooh. Oh. said let her go. Right? It was looking serious for a second. Oh man. She's looking over here like she knows me.
I don't like you. Stop killing me. What game are we going to?
I just documented this for the family.
They just took my whip and my handcuffs. I'm so sad. Instead, it's not permitted.
Bienvenidos. Bienvenidos. Bienvenidos.